Welcome guys to this video from Epic Graphics channel. Before we start the video, I have to say that only about 2% of my channel viewers subscribe to the channel, and this is really bad. Please fix this. Thank you. In this video, you will see the process of making a matchday poster together. Before we go to the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you. So, I'm creating a project with the dimensions of an Instagram story. 1980 by 1080 with a resolution of 72. I'm creating a solid color that's a very dark gold color to give the audience that sense of luxury and charm. Now I need to place the 2026 World Cup logo. Remember, you can download and use the assets used in this video through the link I left in the description. Next, it's time to bring in a player from the England team. I decided to use Jude Bellingham. You can use anyone else or choose a player from your team. I want to put half of him in the frame to create an interesting image, so that when I add Erling Haaland and put him on the other side of the image, it creates an eye-catching balance. You can remove the background any way you like. We need to color correct the player. I decided to do this with color balance, curves, and hue and saturation. And now it's time to bring Haaland onto the scene. I want to remove the background of this one in another way. Please watch carefully so that you don't make a mistake. If the video speed is too fast for you, my suggestion is to reduce the playback speed and slow it down so that you can properly understand what is happening in the video. To color correct Erling Haaland, we don't need to reapply all the effects from the beginning. We can apply these effects to Erling by holding down the Alt key and dragging the FX from Jude to Erling. Now it's time to add light to the image with the brush tool, both for the background and for the players. I click on each player's mask and use the brush tool to erase the players with black. I create a new blank layer above the player's layer and use the brush tool to paint over the players with the appropriate color and change their mode. You can experiment and see which mode works best for you. We need to add the text, and I decided to put all the text in the middle of the line. You can place it however you like and what works best for you.